Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I want to show you different ways at how you can become your own boss and start working from home today. And there are steps you should know, and the first step is you can't be lazy. You definitely can't be wasting time. It is just one of those things that can't happen. And if you want to change your life and you want to stop working to other and you want to work for yourself, and if you want to be your own boss, then I will show you today so how you can actually become your own boss and work for yourself. So before we get into it, please click on the subscribe and bell notification so don't miss any of my future videos, and give me a quick like and leave me a comment. Let's get into it. So the first opportunity I'll bring to you today is e-commerce. E-commerce is huge at the moment and people are making a lot of money through e-commerce. Now different sites obviously that people are using is Amazon and eBay and Shopify, and we all know that people are sourcing different products from Alibaba and selling it on these sites and making a lot of money. These are simple and business opportunity that people have started and they have become their own bosses working from home, and you have that exact same opportunity. But I will show you another way that you can actually do this without having to do all that, and it doesn't have to be so complex. You can start small. There's a lot of ideas and there's a lot of ways that you can do this. So one of the way you can actually do other than searching stuff from Alibaba, we can do as well, but have a look around. There is many different things you could potentially sell because through your home there is so many different things that are just sitting there that you can sell and make money. But do you have anything that you need to sell? There's opportunities where you can go to this and you can pick up $14, go back home, put it on eBay, Amazon, put it on different sites, and you may be able to make $70 on top of what you bought that for, and then you can start your e-commerce business. And remember, the number one rule, you cannot be lazy. So also e-commerce is great and you can start off, and there is a lot of different courses online. That's one simple way that you can do it. Start building your business. Let's go to the next one. Right, another great idea on how to be your own boss is working as virtual assistant. A lot of people out there have a lot of skills that they have learned through years of working in different corporate industries that they can actually take or can take into the online world and be your own boss. So if you have knack for staying organized, then you should consider working as a virtual assistant as a side business idea and work from home. You can find great gigs on sites like Indeed, which I have reviewed on some of other videos. It can be a good way and build a professional network, develop a new skills and grow your side business idea, and you will be able to start this as home-based business idea. Being your own boss has never been easy, and there is, like I said, there is a very good size out there you can jump on and start advertising yourself very much straight away and getting more from home. It is a fantastic opportunity for you. So if you have those skills that are transferable into some of these online jobs, I suggest that you actually look into, because some of these virtual assistants are earning full-time incomes and they are actually a lot of the times are working for a few different companies at the same time. So I highly recommend it, and I will get into the next one. And please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification so don't miss any of my future videos, and give me a quick like. So let's go to the next one that I would like to discuss with you on how to become your own boss. Is very simple. Actually, it is working for Uber or Lyft. Now driving for one of these, Uber and Lyft, can be very lucrative way to earn money as a side business or working for yourself, being your own boss, and basically involved with, you are working on the weekends doing a full time if you wanted to, and it is a good way of making that extra income, but it is something that you need to look into with a bit of caution. So before you start into this business idea, do a lot of your own research, speak to other Uber driver and Lyft drivers in your area and calculate your cost of that. So that's another fantasy side business, and obviously a way that you can work for yourself, and another line business opportunity, and another way that you can make money. If you don't want to drive your car, you can actually rent your car on Turo, and basically if you own a car, you can make some cash as a business renting out your car on Turo, and actually Turo covers that and has all that insurance in place for you to be covered. So if you don't want to drive your car, but if it's sitting in your garage and you want to make extra money while you're doing 5 or 6 other things like being your own boss, then you can make a little bit of cash to buy those other pills. So a couple options there for you sort of grow for or drive for Lyft. And if you don't want to drive and your car's parked in your garage, then rent it out on Turo and make extra money. Let's go to the next one. So the next opportunity, it is called Transcription. Now if you want to work for yourself, it is fantastic online business opportunity and great way on how to become your own boss, and there is so much opportunity out there for you to go to do different things for people that need you. And remember the reasons why people are going to need you: either they are going to want you to do something for them, or they are going to show you how to do something. And Transcription, it is one of those things where they definitely want you to do something for them. So if you have got a few skills out there that you want to utilize and you want to make a bit of extra money, I suggest you go into Transcription. And a few things that you will be doing on there is people call you to go, and a simple stuff or idea on how you can be your own boss is, if you are a writer, there is actually so much work out there available, and there is such a huge demand for writers out there that you can virtually start working for yourself, pretty much start life. And if you have a thing, every single YouTuber, every blogger out there hires writers to write content for their pages and blog posts with some experience and a growing portfolio. You can make a lot of money as a freelance writer, pretty much easy, and it is not that hard to do. If you have a talent for writing, don't waste your time and start your own home business today. You can advertise yourself on places like Fiverr, where you can get a lot of work, build up your portfolio and get your customer base right up there. You can start working from home today and make extra money, whether it is being your own boss, making money, or doing jobs on the side for yourself. So the opportunities are endless for writers, freelancers, so many people that they will require your skills. So my advice is start that business today, don't be lazy, and who knows where you'll be in 3-8 months. I hope this video helped you, and make sure to hit a like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any videos about to make extra money online.